Atlanta, Georgia, say a prayer for your rock and roll soul. Guess who's coming back? Blizzard of Ozzy. Blizzard of Ozzy, the world's best Black Sabbath and Ozzy Osbourne tribute band, is coming back to Atlanta. Saturday, October 22nd at 37 Main. Blizzard is raising hell and ripping the roof down. This ain't no pansy Halloween show. This is the baddest boys on the block playing tribute to the godfathers of heavy metal. Don't miss the stage spectacular that is Blizzard of Ozzy. One night only, Saturday, October 22nd in 37 Main in Buford, Georgia. Come see the sickest tribute show on the planet. Get your tickets in advance of the day of the show at the door. Blizzard of Ozzy, Ozzy Osbourne, Black Sabbath, pure Halloween mayhem.